Hi guys, this is Yuvraj. I'm just gonna make a video today about a food. I'm just going to my friend's place. Let's see what she's gonna make today for me. Hello. Hi guys, I'm just at my friend's place. Let's see what she's gonna make. Hello. See. Hi.
Hi guys.
What are you gonna make today?
Um, just an
Let me
omelette
see.
and some tea.
Okay, what she has prepared. Wow. Okay. So, is this the one whole chopped onion or?
Yeah, it's a one whole chopped.
And then one
medium
chili
sized, two small chilies.
and coriander
Yeah, a little bit of coriander.
and what is that? Is
Two
it?
handful baby spinach.
Are you gonna put cheese in it? Oh,
Yes.
tasty grated cheese.
Yes.
And what is that? It's salt,
Chili
chili
flakes,
sprinkle,
and
black pepper.
black pepper.
How many eggs you gonna put?
I think 6 or 7. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Maybe 7.
Sound interesting. Let's start.
This bowl. Onion, chili, coriander.
All together.
Yep, everything will go here. And then so now I'm gonna add the doing this.
No, you're okay. You're doing good.
So this is an omelette I have just started after my little one started eating, because I wanted to make something healthy for him, and because he is very choosing food, so I wanted him to eat before he leave the house for his daycare, something very healthy. So yeah, this is my 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7.
Oh, okay. It's gonna look yummy.
Yeah, it is delicious. I'm not sure how it will look after it cook. Like,
And what eggs you are using? Cage free.
yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Time I'm making any video, so if I'm not feeling very confident, comfortable, so please don't mind. I'm a bit shy as well. Okay, so I'm gonna add some salt, and just a little salt. I don't like too much salt in eggs. So it's up to you. You can add according to your taste, but I like to add a little bit only.
Okay.
A little bit of chili flakes. It's optional. If you like to make it more spicy, you can add it. Otherwise, you can skip it. So we love to add lots of black pepper. So great.
Black pepper is common to use
And
in
it
every
goes
every
very
food,
well. It goes very well with the egg actually. So I like to add green chili, black pepper. These two things are must. Chili flakes optional. Sometimes I add and sometimes I don't. Sorry about my voice. Sorry. I don't have corona.
The view from here, from our house. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Look at the view. Very good view.
Doing the black pepper. think it's enough.
Mmm.
Does it look yummy?
It does look yummy. What's your special touch?
So my special touch is I put a little bit of milk as well. It
Ooh.
keeps the omelette moist.
And
Just a little bit. Don't add too much. It's optional. If you don't like to add it, don't add it. Now, gonna mix it all together.
oh, it looks fluffy, yeah? Mmm.
So you need to mix it very well.
Drink tea too.
Yeah. It's Indian masala tea.
Mmm. Did you put tea?
Tea and tea masala.
Tea masala. Oh,
To make the
that looks
omelette.
yummy, yeah?
So either you can use ghee, you can use oil, or you can use butter. So I would love to use ghee or butter. So today I'm going to add some
Butter cubes.
butter cubes here and let it get warm. Okay, now I'll put some milk and the tea.
It looks like you're multitasking.
Yeah, because I'm a mom. I have to
Mm.
be. Okay.
The tea smells very nice, eh?
Put it back. Butter have melted. So I'm gonna add mix it once again so that no black pepper or chili flakes are settling down. I need to cover it a little bit.
Are you gonna put cheese later?
Yeah, little bit. When it's little bit
Once
already
it's
cooked.
little slightly cooked.
1/4 cooked, you can say, not half cooked. But afterwards, you need to either like if you are using the electric cooktop, then you can close it and you can switch it off, or if you are
Keep it on the medium flame, right?
yeah,
Mm.
and if you are cooking on gas stove, then you can just keep it low,
Maybe a number 2 or 3, yeah?
the lowest. So now I'm gonna close it and
Smell really nice.
you can actually sprinkle a little bit black pepper. Now it look cooked. So what I'm gonna do is you can either flap it, or what I do is I just
Flip it halfway, yeah?
half and then press it a little bit and then I can cover it. So my flame is still closed. I haven't uncover it. Omelette is ready to eat now, so we can serve it. And you can eat it with either green chutney, sauce, whatever you want. I'm gonna take it in the plate.
Mmm. It's yummy. Yeah, it's very yummy.
Thank you.